Hello and welcome to another update video about ARB. While other coins seem to be within a pullback, also Bitcoin, Ethereum seem to be in a pullback right now, ARB doesn't show any sign of a pullback, and we've now reached the 1.786 Fibonacci extension in this rally. So let's see if we have to adjust the support level, and let's talk about the overall structures here. So we are dealing here with two different scenarios. One is a simple ABC structure of the lows. This, I have to put this in, this is the bearish alternative, A, B, C. And we could then go to new all-time lows, or something messy could happen here, like a massive triangle, or a larger A, so A, B, C and A, then a B wave pullback and a C wave up. That's all messy stuff that can happen. I have to put that onto the chart because the chart history is so short that I do not have enough chart history to rule that out. And the problem is that the beginning of the uptrend is entirely corrective. So I have an ABC structure here that can be wave 1 in a diagonal, or it's an A wave, okay? And the pullback could be a wave 2, or a B wave. And the rally could be a wave C, or a third wave in the white count. And now, this rally is obviously still ongoing. I have no evidence that wave C or 3 is over. Just want to make sure that it comes across that both scenarios in the short term are the same. But after this rally is over, there will be a pullback, which I have labeled here as wave 4. But it could be something more bearish if the yellow count plays out, because it would put in a substantial top here, whereas in the white count, and I actually changed the wave degree here a little bit. In the white count, we would see a larger degree fourth wave pullback before we get one more high. Why is that so important? It is important because only if we get 5 waves up, we can say with more clarity that something really bullish is going on. Until then, this is sort of a bit ambiguous. Of course, the trend is up, right? I mean, of course. But we talk about medium term, long term here as well. So anybody who's sort of in this for the longer term, medium term, should be interested in this wave 4 pullback area. But I have to adjust it because of the latest high. So always when the price pushes higher and the fourth wave hasn't started yet, the adjustment of the support area is needed. So let me just adjust a couple of things here. And just to explain that the so the support, if the trend line breaks, I think we should start like that. If the trend line breaks, then I'm going to watch for this pullback in wave 4. There will be support areas at $1.60. I mean, $1.95, to be honest, is probably a bit too shallow for a wave 4. But I added because there could be a bit of a bounce. But typically a wave 4, even in a diagonal, the 38.2 retracement level, very common support at $1.70. The 50% retracement level at $1.52. They are the main ones. There's also a little bit of structural support there, whereas below that level, I really only have $1.36 left, and that's difficult because that's already very deep for a wave 4. So ideally it stays above $1.52. But below $1.52, and especially below $1.36, the probabilities for a deeper pullback increase. And the main support level then is, adjusted now as well, 95 cents. Below that level, I think it's going to go downhill and we could even see completely new lows. Until then, the price could push higher. Next level up, upstairs. Next level above is $2.58. I think we talked about $2.32 in yesterday's video. That level was reached. And the next one to the upside is $2.58. And then even $3.13. There isn't really anything in between. And we can really only use the fib levels because there is no structural resistance left above. Okay, there's nothing structurally there. It's really price finding phase, and the Fibonacci levels can guide you. I mean, see, the price already reacted to this one, the 1.618. The price is reacting to the 1.786, and one more push higher takes it to $2.58, where it likely would suggest that also at least we'll see some kind of a reaction. That's my update about ARB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. Leave a comment and subscribe, and if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.